Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 15 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to add lighting. We added the lights right here under the stairs, and also above here we added the one that I asked you to download, the face base square. And then we also added some right here into our backyard with the pool. So we're gonna continue working on this. What I want to do next is just to go to the ground floor and just pull this back a little bit. So this one, I'm going to pull it out until probably right here. So before the D line, and then maybe this one as well. So I'm gonna align it perfectly. So this one right here to this, and just for that we can see that everything looks good, because we're gonna add in our side. Basically we're gonna recreate the site now. I'm just gonna build some houses on the side just to make it populated when we're creating our views, and then we're gonna create the streets. So right now what we're gonna do is, let's go to ground and click on one of these floors, CS on this, edit, duplicate, and then this will be floor number 6, and we're going to use probably a concrete precast, and then duplicate that, because I can't remember if we used that already. So just adding those ones. I'm gonna create our streets now. So here I'm just going to create this big one right here. We need to align it here. So AL, select this one right here. And then like this one, I'm making it around maybe 20,000 for now. I know it's too big, but we could we're gonna add, like for example, a side street here, or we're gonna do a side street and then some grass portion as well. So it really depends on what we're gonna be able to create. So right now I'm gonna add this one. I'm gonna make sure to add them all throughout and click on finish. I want to see it how it looks. So it looks like this, so that's fine with me. I want to go back right here, a model in place. So click on component, model in place, and then generic model, and then here go to extrusion, and then let's select the material that we're gonna use, concrete, and then one of the concrete right here. Make sure the ones that we haven't used yet, and then let's add in maybe a part of this, the sidewalk and grass. So most of the time sidewalks are 2,000 or 2 meters. So 2,000 right there. And then I'm gonna create one concrete side here. So this one should be around, yeah, we could do 1,500. That's too much, so to 1,500, and then this will be another patch of concrete right here. So around 600 is good enough. And then we're just going to align them all together. And then what I want to do is do it on the other side, so that we don't need to do it again. And then here we could just edit later once we create the two houses on the other side here. So we could just edit that later. Let's focus on this one first. And maybe I'm going to add this one here as well. So 2000. Let's make this one 2000. And then let me know what this part is again. 1500. And then this one is 600. And for this one, we just need to basically add this and basically grass part around here. So we could just call CS on this one. So for this one, I want at least 150. And then we need to $1,200 on this. And then let's change this to 1200 as well. And I'm going to hold this back a little. This one is around 400, and then pull back, and then 400. Okay, so now we have something like this. We can now click finish. So that's good right there. I'm gonna edit extrusion again, and we're going to add a grass top here. So grass, actually just finish this and then create another one. This one will be grass. So most of the side walk in Canada is similar to this, so that's why I'm trying to just replicate how it looks. I wish I could just do this one all together. And then I'm just going to add this part right here. Now I'm gonna click here and then trim and extend. That's good right there, and then here, and then delete this part. And we're gonna do the same thing. And then here, let's select this one and this one as well. Click finish, and let's see which one is making some problem. So we could just clean it up, and let's see it in 3D. So that's fine with me. I'm probably going to make it 100 instead, and then 100 here as well. I don't want it to be too tall. And then I'm going to add same thing here. Actually, I forgot to add edit extrusion, and then add this part right here. And then another extrusion, actually not extrusion, it should be a sweep. Let's go to 3D, pick path, and we're going to select this path right here. This one would be somewhat hard because we have some overage there. And then here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click finish and then edit and add this one right here. So it's going to be, I'm gonna put it 110, and then I'm gonna curve this one. Actually, I'm just going to make it 100, and then this one around 20, 100, and then 15 on this, and I'm going to have something like this right here. Delete this. This is 5, and then we're going to 10, and this one, this long is 70, or make it 50, so it's easier to remember. Click finish, and then finish, and it will look like that. And actually, probably I want the changes here later. I'm gonna add that part as well. So go to ground again, sweep, and then pick path, and then add this one right here. Trim and extend. And trim and extend here. Go to 3D and do the same thing. Edit profile. This will be 100 by 20, so it's easier to remember. And then here, this will be 15. That's good. This will be 5 by 50, so make it 50 here, and then select this one. 5 is good, and then delete this part right here, and then be good here. 10, and click finish, and then finish. You want to make sure you change the material, so I'm gonna make this one to just duplicate this metal stud layer. I'm gonna copy this because I remember haven't done here. I'm just gonna copy and then press OK there. So that looks good there. I'm just going to add this part right here, because most of the time there's a Actually, I'm gonna create something right here, maybe a boundary. Probably can add like a gutter. Yeah, just a small gutter. And edit extrusion, and then just add a gutter right here. Or I'm going to just add the same thing. This one is maybe 50, and then the thickness is 5, and then for the material is the same thing. Actually, just finish this. It shouldn't be in the same one, so I'm gonna add that, and then go to ground, extrusion, I'll just put 100. Then 5, and then the material. So just a separation there between those. And then actually I want to add this sidewalk all the way right here. So why didn't I do that instead? So forgive me for doing this again. I'm just gonna edit this extrusion and then just push it all the way there. I should have thought about that. Just align it from here. And then just edit all of this. Edit extrusion. Or what I can do instead, this part right here, actually I cannot edit that part, so I'm just gonna edit this extrusion, move it, delete element for now, then edit this one, MV, and then I just need to replicate this one again. Metal stud layer, so we're gonna do a sweep again, pick path, go to ground so that we can see everything, trim and extend, click finish, edit profile, and then do the same thing again. So 100 by 20, and then make it round here, arc 15, and then here make it 50 by 5, delete this one, and then fillet arc this to 10, and then make this one this material, and then click apply and finish. So in the next video we're gonna add like 2 houses on the side to make our scene much better. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.